Okay, so let's take a look at how you can install Nginx server on Ubuntu. So if you go to official site, it looks something like this, where you will get the idea about Nginx server and its commercial offerings. You can also check out Nginx open source page, where you can get the idea through documentation. So here you see there is option for Ubuntu as well, and also for other Linux distros. So let's go to our terminal. Here we will type in sudo apt update, right? And then we will try and find Nginx after updating our repositories. So sudo apt install Nginx. Right now, let's say yes to let those packages installed. As you can see, it's small setup, so it will finish it up not quickly. Right now, next thing we will have to check for the settings. Some of that are systemctl and then status Nginx, and here you see currently it stopped and failed to load, right? So let's clear this and type in sudo ufw allow and then within single quote Nginx full, again quote end, and rule added. Now sudo ufw status, right? So allowed. Now what we can do, sudo systemctl start Nginx, and let's see what it returns. Okay, now let's try to find out systemctl status Nginx, and as you can see there is a conflict between the port, but otherwise it will be enable system and we will find it. So currently if we check, we will have to disable any other previous web server on those ports. So that being said, what you can do at the end is sudo nginx -v and you get the version installed. So everything is working properly. We'll just have to assign different port, or we'll have to move the existing port occupied by any other server, and we have our Nginx running on its default port. So you get the idea how to install Nginx on